Welcome to Joyce Virtual School. We are so glad and excited to have you today, and we are glad to have you in math class. So you're welcome to math class. Alright, today we are going to be talking about 3 digits, that is addition involving 3 digits, addition of numbers involving 3 digits. Alright. Okay, here are some examples of multiples of 100. Multiples of 100. So we have example 1 here. We have already arranged in columns. So we have 300 plus 200. So that's 100 tens and unit. We have 300 plus 200. And the steps are also here. We have the first step here is add ones, that is 0 plus 0, which is equals 0. So meaning there is no unit, there is 0 unit. Then the second step is add tens, that is 0 plus 0 here too. So which means there is 0 tens, and add hundreds. So we have 3 plus 5, which is equals 500. We have, this is the second stage, which is tens, and this is the third stage, which is 100. So we have 500. So 300 plus 200 equals 500. Alright, so now we are moving to multiples of 10 and 100. Multiples of 10 and 100. So here we have example 2. We have already arranged in columns. We have 300 plus 90. 300 plus 90. So 300 is a multiple of 100, while 90 is a multiple of tens. So we have our steps also here. That's adding 300 plus 90. So we have add ones. So here we have 0 plus 0, which is 0 unit, 0 ones. And add tens, we have 0 plus 9, which is, okay, in this case, which is 9. But when we're writing it, it is 90. So then add hundreds. So we have 3 plus 0, which is 3 in this case. So we have 90 here in the column. Then we have 390. So meaning that the addition of 300 plus 90 is 390. So to take us further, we have example 3. So here we now have addition with 3-digit numbers. Addition with 3-digit numbers. So we have a task here to add 313 and 577. So we want to use compensation strategy for addition. So say take 3 from 313 and add it to 577, so that we have 310 plus 580. So then we have add 3 and 5 in hundreds. So that's in hundreds place, that's 800. Add 1 and 8 in tens. So that's in tens place, we have 90. So that's 1 plus 8, which is 90. And add 0 and 0 in ones place, which is equal to 0. So 313 plus 577 is equal to 890. 890, which is very correct by compensation strategy of addition. So that's example 3. All right, we move to example 4, still on addition with 3-digit numbers. So we have example 4, we have a task here also. We have 5, 6, 4, and 5, 6, 7. We have to add them together. So, and it is being arranged in columns here, 100, tens, and units. So we have 5, 6, 4 plus 5, 6, 7. So here we have the system of regrouping or carrying. So 4 plus 7 is equals 11. So, but here we'll write 1 and keep 1 tens. So already it has entered, the answer has entered into unit ones and tens. So we'll keep the 1 10 and write 1 unit. So then the next one is add 6 plus 6. Then we'll add our 1 tens that we kept initially. So it will make it 13. So in this case, we now have 103 tens. So we write 3 tens and keep 100. So then the next thing, which is 100 now, is 5 plus 5. Then we'll, in this case, add our 100 that was initially kept. Then it will give us 11. So we write everything in place of 100 value. So we write everything in place of 100. So all right. So let's see the whole practice. So here we have tens, which is 3. So then here, over here, we have 100, which is now 11331. 1131. So that's 1131. So 564 plus 567 is 1131. Okay, so we move to word problems involving addition of 3-digit numbers. So example 5 here, we have question 1, we have Wendy reads 201 pages of a book on Saturday. She reads 239 pages of the same book on Sunday. So how many pages does Wendy read in the 2 days? So they are asking us a question here that needs interpretation. So first, we'll write out the numbers of pages and add them together. So here we have 20, the first number of pages, we have 201 pages, then plus 239 pages. So we have put together, so that's 1 plus 9, which is 10. So we'll write 0, we'll keep the 1, 10. Then we have 0 plus 3 under 10. So then plus the 1 that we kept. So that's 4. Then we have 2 plus 2 under hundreds. So we have 440 pages. So it's a note here. The answer to this question is 440 pages with 1 tens carried from the ones position and added to 3 tens, which is now 4 tens. So that was how we got 440 pages. Now we have come to the end of the class.